Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to add Wrapped Ethereum to your Metamask wallet. So the first thing you're gonna do is select your network. Choose the correct network, whether it's Ethereum mainnet or layer 2 solution like Arbitrum, Optimism, or you wanna add WETH. Add to Metamask, click the Metamask icon to the contract address. This will automatically add WETH to your Metamask wallet from the selected network. You can also follow these step-by-step instructions. Connect your wallet Metamask with the Ethereum mainnet. Scroll down to the bottom of the Metamask main window and click on Import Tokens. Search for the WETH token by typing WETH in the search field and selecting Wrapped Ether from the search results. Click Import Tokens and add Wrapped Ether as a token to your wallet. Make sure you have enough Ether in your wallet to pay for the transaction fee. And that is it.